Welcome to Amar Rashid online math class. Here is the second video for permutations. We have problem 2 with 4 in 1. A, B, C, D. The first one says 6 permutation 4. Generally, n permutation R is equal to n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. So if we are to find the value of 6 permutation 4, we say 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial. So we say 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial. So with this, 6 factorial can be expressed as 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. You may choose to stop here, but the denominator is 2 factorial. So we keep going until we get to 2 factorial. So we say multiply by 3, multiply by 2 factorial. It is a must to indicate the factorial as long as you don't get to 1. So divide by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial takes away 2 factorial. So we are left with 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. So 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 multiplied by 3 is 360. So 6 permutation 4 is 360 degrees. The second one says 15 permutation 3. For 15 permutation 3, we say 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 factorial. So we say 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 3 is 12 factorial. But 15 factorial can be expressed as 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13. We keep expressing until we get to 12. Divide by 12 factorial. But this one is totally wrong because there is no factorial. The only way you cannot write the factorial is when you express the factorial number fully to 1. So there must be a factorial. So this takes away this. We are left with 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13. So 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13 is what? 730. 2730. So 15 permutation 3 gives us this one. So the C part of the question says 30 permutation 2 plus 20 permutation 2. So don't forget that n permutation R as the general permutation formula says n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. This minus this. So if this one happens, we say 30 factorial divided by 30 minus 2 factorial plus 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 2 factorial. So in that case, we say 30 factorial. 30 minus 2 is 20 factorial plus 20 factorial 28. Yeah, 28 factorial. 20 minus 2 is 18 factorial. So this 30 factorial we can express until we get 28. So we say 30 multiplied by 29 multiplied by 20. As long as you don't expect a factorial number So 1, it is a must to indicate the factorial. Divide by 28 factorial. So this is 20 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 18 factorial. Divide by 18 factorial. So 28 factorial takes away 28 factorial. 18 factorial takes away 18 factorial. So we are left with 30 multiplied by 29 plus 20 multiplied by 19. So 30 multiplied by 29, 870 plus 380. Clear? Good. So if we add this, 0 added to 0 is 0, 8 added to this is 15, 3 added to this is 11, so we have 1,250. Now the last one, we are going to the last one. The last one says 25 permutation 3 minus 18 permutation 4. Alright, so here we say 25 factorial divided by 25 minus 3 factorial minus 18 factorial divided by 18 minus 4 factorial. So we say 25 factorial divided by 25 minus 3 is 22 factorial. 18 factorial divided by 18 minus 4, 14 factorial. So with 25 factorial, we can say 25 times 24 times 23 times 22. Because we choose to stop here simply because we have 22 factorial down here. Divide by 22 factorial. 18 factorial again, we say 18 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 14 factorial. Divide by 14 factorial. So this takes away this. We are left with 25 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 23 minus. This takes away this. We are left with 18 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 15. So 25 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 23. What do we get? 13,800 minus 18 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 15. What do we get? 73,440. So now this minus this. So 0 minus 0, we have 0. We have 4. And 14 minus this is 6. 12 is 9. 5. But this one is bigger. So what do you get? 9,600. Alright. So this is what we get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video for more. And don't forget to subscribe for the YouTube channel. Thank you.